In this video, I will show you how to paper trade options on Webull Desktop step by step. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. Paper trading is a great way to practice options trading without using real money, so you can learn strategies and understand the platform safely. First, open the Webull Desktop application on your computer. Once the app opens, look at the left-hand sidebar. Here, you will see several icons for different features. Look for the dollar icon, which represents paper trading. Click on it. If you don't see the paper trading icon directly, click on the More option, shown as 3 dots, and then select paper trading from the list. After clicking paper trading, Webull will ask you to choose a layout. You will see multiple layout options such as blank, stock trading, day trader, options, starter, and futures. If you are new, the starter layout is the easiest to use. Select it and continue. This layout will automatically load the most useful tools you need. Next, you need to log into your Webull account. Click on the login button. You can sign in using your email, phone number, Google account, or Facebook account. You can also scan the QR code using the Webull mobile app to log in quickly. Once logged in, your paper trading account details will become visible. This includes your virtual balance, positions, and buying power. All trades here are simulated, so no real money is involved. Now, to paper trade options, go to the Options section from the main interface. Choose the stock you want to practice trading options on. Select an option contract, such as a call or put, and click Trade. When placing the order, make sure your account is set to paper trading, not a live account. Choose your order type, quantity, and price, just like you would in real trading, then submit the order. If you want to customize your workspace, click on Add Widgets at the top right. Open the Paper tab and add tools like Order Entry, Paper Account Details, Positions, and Orders. You can resize or remove widgets based on your preference. Your paper trades will appear in the Positions and Orders section, where you can track profits, losses, and price movement in real time. This is how you can paper trade options on Webull Desktop in 2026 to practice trading, test strategies, and gain confidence before using real money. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.